You might not know this, but it's the most fucked thing to happen to immigration this year. The sneaky woke left Labor government has expanded the family violence provisions of the Migration Act to include more permanent visas, including the 186, 189 and 190 visas. The purpose of the family violence provisions is to allow women in Australia to leave their partners if they've suffered domestic violence during the processing of their spouse visas, which is taking 2 to 4 years. These changes mean that people who are either on temporary visas or not even in the country can effectively become permanent residents simply by marrying someone and claiming they were the victims of domestic violence. I mean claiming because the burden of proof is particularly low. You just need letters from a doctor and a psychologist saying you felt in fear because they raised their voice and I was prescribed antidepressant meds, and wham, you're going to get PR. This is even worse when you consider for many countries it's still common to have arranged marriages where there's often no history of the relationship to prove its bona fides. Think India, Pakistan and China. To make matters worse, if the spouse has less than IELTS 4.5, that is, they can't speak English, the government is waiving the $9,800 language fee. So we are granting PR to people with no ties, no English, no job prospects, and they will become lifelong dole recipients. Alternatively, if you find yourself with a non-English speaking wife, just fake a domestic violence claim and save yourself $10,000 on your application. In perverse situations of real court-proven domestic violence, the main applicant can fail to get their visa on character grounds while the wife is still granted hers. Not to mention that the family violence doesn't even need to be directed at a visa applicant in the application. Your partner threatens your father, mother, brother or sister and you're still all good to go. If everything goes sour and your former partner needs to appeal, well, they won't include you on their appeal, so you need to lodge your own appeal, doubling the number of cases in the already 45,000 long queue at the ART. Have a good day.